Unlock exclusive hotel deals on JetSMART. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use JetSMART. So let's get into it. So before I begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out as well, and you will also find some promo codes and some discount codes that you can apply when you are booking your flight. It'll help you save a lot of money, so make sure you check those out as well. So let's get into it. Now, first things first, you can go ahead and create an account by clicking on the link in the description, or you can come over here and click on the register button. You can see you have a bunch of different options. This one is log in with your account. If you have one, you can go with that. This one is log in as a company or agency, and this one is as your own account. This one is the registration section. Here you can go ahead and register yourself and an account, so make sure you check that out. And once you've registered your account, you are good to go. Then you can go out here and book your flights. All right, you can even go ahead and book your hotels as well. So here you can see we have flights, manage your flight, check-in and everything, and down below we have hotels, transfer. So we're going to click on hotels, and here we just simply add in our destination, our departure date or staying date, check-in and check-out date, and how many inhabitants or passengers you're going to be, how many people are you're going to be staying over here. And it works with booking.com. Some reason the language is changed over here. You can see it's Destino, whereas over here it's English in the flight section, so it's a little bit weird, but it is what it is. So here just input your destination, right? So let's say we want LA or Los Angeles, whatever, and then here we'll keep that as it is, and then here we just click on the search button. I think that's called the search button, I'm not really sure. And then here you've got all of the hotels that are available. Here you can go ahead and select whichever hotel you want, and you can save a bunch of money on them as well. So make sure you check the link in the description below, and you can just simply open them up and view all of their amenities and all the facilities that they offer. And if you like it, go ahead and book it, and there you go. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.